Hi, my name is Cindy Noftel, and I teach mathematics at North Shore Community College.
And today we're going to look at multiplying decimals. Hi, I'm Cindy Noftel, and today we're going to look at multiplying decimals. To multiply decimals, you just multiply the same way you would multiply whole numbers. To determine where to put the decimal point in your product or your result, find the sum of the number of digits that lie to the right of the decimal point in the factors. Place the decimal point in your result so that there are the same number of digits to the right of the decimal point as this sum. In example 1, we have 14 and 32 hundredths times 8 and 6 tenths. Now, the first step is always write your problem vertically. You do not have to align your decimal points when you multiply decimals, only when you add or subtract. So let's multiply 6 times 2 is 12. Remember, we start at the right. 6 times 3 is 18, and the 1 that we carried is 19. Carry the 1. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Carry the 2. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Now we have to multiply the 8 times the 2, which will give me 16. Carry the 1. 8 times 3 is 24, and 1 is 25. Carry the 2. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 2 is 34. And we carry the 3. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 3 is 11. So now we have 2. 9 plus 6 is 15. 5 plus 5 and the 1 is 11. Carry the 1. 1 and 8 and 4 is 13. Carry a 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And we have 1. So we have this solution here, and the only thing that it's missing is the decimal point. So let's take a look at where are we going to place this decimal point. Well, when we looked at our first factor, we have 2 places to the right of the decimal. So we want to make note of that. In the second factor, we have 1 number, 1 digit to the right of the decimal. So we have to add these 2 numbers and we get 3. This means that when we place the decimal, we start at this far right and we move 3 places to the left. So that your solution is going to be 123 and 152 thousandths. That's our solution. If you had more factors, you would continue to add the digits to the right of the decimal so that you would have that new sum to know how many times you've moved the decimal to the left. Now it's your turn. What I'd like you to do is try this problem, 45 and 31 hundredths times 9 and 8 tenths. So multiply, find your result, and then come back to the video and watch me solve the problem. Okay, we're ready. We have 45 and 31 hundredths times 9 and 8 tenths. So I hope when you started the problem, you rewrote it so it was vertical, and you did not worry about aligning the decimal points because, again, we're multiplying. The only time you align the decimal points is when you add or subtract. So let's just multiply. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Carry the 2. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 2 is 42. 8 times 4 is 36. Oh, 32. Plus 4 is 36. Now we multiply the 9 times 1 and we get 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Carry the 2. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 2 is 47. We carry a 4. 9 times 4 is 36, plus 4 is 40. We add these up as usual, starting at the right and moving to the left. 4 plus 9 is 3. and carry the 1, 2, and 7 and 1 is 10. Carry the 1, 7 and 6 and 1 is 14. Carry the 1, 1 and 3 and 0 is 4. And we have 4. So we have this set of digits, and we just have to determine where do we put the decimal point in our result. So if you go back to the original problem, you see that there are 2 digits to the right of the decimal. There are 1 digit to the right of this decimal point. So we have a total of 3 decimal points. So we're going to start at the right, and we're going to move 1, 2, 3. So our result is 444 and 38 thousandths. I hope you got the same answer as I did. If not, go back and check your work. Keep practicing these problems, and we'll see you soon.